okay.
No. There's some man pushing a lawnmower about to cross a creek, and Darren's too ignorant to give him a ride. Come on across, buddy. Come on, stop thinking about it. We ain't giving you any ride. He's waiting for us to come across. Here he comes.
I like them boots. Was he cutting the grass or what?
I don't think this kid's right in the head. Obviously not. I mean, he's pushing a fucking lawnmower down the road. What is he doing?
I'm gonna ask him if he's okay.
He obviously isn't. Let's go down there and see if we can give him a ride across.
I ain't giving him a ride across.
Why?
He can walk. Look at him.
Oh no. What is he gonna do? What is this goofball gonna do? Here he comes. Get a little closer, dude. What is going on here? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
What's he got on sitting on it? A ball? Oh no, it's floating away.
I have no idea. I have no idea at all. This is... Go across and let's pull up and talk to this kid. This is gonna be good. Roll down your window, dude. I'll do the talking for you.
That's how you do it.
I don't know if I try pushing that across there. It's kind of deep.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Dad, I'm just pushing this so home.
Do you want to sit on the tailgate and put it in the back and we'll get back across it for you?
Yeah, I guess so.
Did you push it across to begin with?
No, I was just ready.
Get it in there. Alright, yeah, just sit on the tailgate. We'll back you across there, alright? Back on across there for this young man.
Is he in?
No, not yet. Don't drive yet. Oh my.
Is the tailgate up?
No, go slow, dude. Don't dump his lawnmower with a ball on it.
I'm gonna back up.
No, don't do nothing like that. To the left, Aaron. No, the other way. There you go. There you're good. Alright, that's good, Darren. This is interesting. Alright, we got you.
And the house is that way.
Your house is that way?
Yeah.
Well, why'd you come across this then?
Oh, maybe.
You think you can make it back?
Yeah, probably.
Well, I don't know if you'll find us coming through again. What is that, a bowling ball?
Yeah. I'll leave it for pointing. Tries to make it back.
Dude, that thing might rise up farther. Now he's gonna go back across, I guess. I hope I don't have to dive in and try to save this kid. Oh my. Oh my. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whatever.
Right on.
I'm gonna talk to him a little more.
Did you pause it or is it still recording?
It's still recording. We got 5 minutes of this shit. Well, you did it. You gonna be alright, bud?
Yeah. I'll be able to make it.
Might as well. Here, pull forward. You need something to drink? You look a little thirsty.
Well.
You want something to drink, bud?
Uh-huh.
Well, have a good one, buddy.
You too.